Welcome to today's episode of the Apocalypse Cooking Channel. Today we're making banana bread. So what you're going to need today is really old, nasty bananas. All of you out there who ordered like 5 bunches, you're going to be just fine on making banana bread today. 213 grams of flour, 1 gram of baking powder, 3.5 grams of baking soda, and 1.5 grams of salt. You need 213 grams of sugar, 66 grams of oil, grapeseed oil, vegetable oil, really any oil that you have on hand, 57 grams of eggs. It's a little bit more than 1 egg. If you're about 53 to 55, that's fine. This episode comes at a perfect time. Chef Rockman just posted a video on Instagram calling it the Pastry Pantry Challenge. So using pretty much everything that we have in the pantry, not going out getting everything, social distancing, and making a pastry. So a few things that you're going to need for this one. Obviously, you're going to need a KitchenAid mixer, a hand mixer, the little blender thing, or a spatula, whisk, whatever works. Make sure you have something to mix this with. A loaf pan, spatula, and a scale. One more thing you're going to need. Why? What you're going to want to do first is grease and flour your pan. We don't want no bread sticking unless you don't want all of it. All you're gonna do is take some butter. If you have pan spray, this works too. I don't have pan spray because I normally don't bake at home. Something always goes wrong, so we're gonna see if this works. Make sure you get in all of those crevices in your pan. Then you're gonna add a little bit of flour just to get it to stick. You're gonna move it around. It helps get in all the corners. There you go. So the gram weight for the bananas is 322 grams. Make sure you peel the bananas. And if you have any extra, just eat it. I'm just going to turn it on stir, a nice slow mix. And we're doing this just to beat up the bananas, get them nice and smooth into a puree. Once you've got your bananas to the consistency that you want, you're going to add in your lemon juice. You're going to add in sugar. Next, you're going to add in your oil. Finally, you're going to add in your egg. You're going to mix all this together, make sure it's emulsified. Emulsification is basically just making sure all your fats, liquids, whatever else you got in there are going to be nice and mixed together. You don't want them to come apart. It's going to create for a really oily, nasty banana bread. So after it's been mixing for a couple of seconds, I'm just going to turn it up real quick. Scrape your damn bowl. Alright, next we're going to add our dries. Once again, this is AP flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, and your salt. You don't want to mix this on super high. You don't want to overwork your bread. That's why I'm going to stop it. You're going to take this off. You're going to scrape and put this in there. I'm going to tell you for the 3rd time. Scrape your bowl. Alright. Now, as you probably noticed, I have not added nuts to this. I am allergic to nuts. You're going to bake this bad boy for about 55 minutes at 350 until it starts pulling away from the pan and becomes golden brown. So yeah, let's pop this in the oven. It's time to rotate that son of a bitch. Funny thing about baked goods, those times on the recipes are suggested, so we're gonna test it. And there you have it, banana bread. Super easy, super simple. Don't forget to hashtag Pastry Pantry Challenge for Chef Amanda Rockman. Prove that you can make a pastry or a baked good from anything in your pantry. And it's so fucking good, I already ate half of it.